Hello, welcome to Panther Hunt Trades. I will show you today how to analyze a chart and take a trade using a swinging style. My life changed completely when I went from scalping to swinging. This strategy works 90%. Backtest it for yourself. Don't forget to entry on time and exit when you hit take profit unless you want to build it up, trusting the strategy, trying it out. You can use this for gold or NASDAQ. So let's dive in.
Super easy, this strategy. You see here, I also took profit. I went 1 to 2 ratio. I woke up today to 429 euros extra. And okay, let's go, let's say with gold. Okay, it's also gonna hit take profit here. So basically, let me explain you how this works. Okay, let's take something that usually you just trade on gold on NAS or NAS, but I will take Bitcoin just as an example, so you can we can use a chart that is already that is not used. Oh no, not. Okay, guys. So my gold and NAS are in the trade. Well, it hit take profits NAS, and gold I didn't go in, but I was backtesting, and indeed it will take hit profit. So what I would do, I would just analyze another pair which has a clean chart, just to show you, but I'm not gonna trade right now with you, right? Okay, guys, so let's say we're in gold. Yeah, what will you do is you will mark each price block, so where the price was hitting off, you see that these lines. And then as well, of course, you need to recognize the direction of the market by marking higher highs, lower lows, higher lows, lower highs, and so on. So once you have a clear structure on a 4 hour time frame, let's remove this just to show you. What you've been looking for is the zone between the last higher high and higher low, if it's in the bullish, if it's in the in that direction. Damn. Let me see, here it is. So this is your zone. So what happens here, you see this engulfing candle, a full candle. If it rejected the price and it's going up, and you see even a second one coming up, you go in a trade. It's just so simple. If you still have to analyze the chart, then it's just not the time to trade. Okay, so let's take a trade. So you can leave your stop loss under the last higher low, and definitely go for 1-to-2 ratio. If you want to go to 1-to-3, it is possible, but what I would do is go in, if you have the margin, of course, go to 1-day chart and see where was the previous higher high. But as we know, everybody knows the fact that gold is at the highest now, and it has never been so high. Then we have to also be aware of the fact that it might fall. All right. What you need to do still is double check, go to 1 hour. Okay, and just see that there's a strong movement going up if you are going for a long. You see here no indecision, no doji candles or anything like that. So it is very, very likely that it's just going up. Here is a small doji candle because now it's gonna form red candles and it's gonna go up again, which is totally normal. Of course, don't take it as a financial advice because things can happen in the market always, especially with news. And I would suggest to trade gold on London session and New York open, and Nasdaq the first 2-3 hours of New York session only. So here it is. You can just go into this trade. Okay. Well, it's too late though. It's too late because it's almost hitting take profit. But yeah, if you wanna still make a little bit of money, you can. Although I think it's very important to enter on time and just keep on a plan. Keep on your plan. Okay. Oh, one more thing, guys. So, indeed, in Trade Locker, you can do that via my links from FTUK or choose my broker. What you can do is select the lot size you wanna trade with, and then stop loss and take profit. Where would that be? So let's go in 4 hour. You see, when you enter too late, what happens? You have less profit and you risk more. That's why we enter on time. What you can do as a solution is lower your stop loss. I mean higher. So put it right under the last, the first candle you entered with, yeah? But still, it's not worth actually the trade. It's not even worth it right now. You see why. This is a very good explanation. Okay? You're risking more actually than you're making. So enter on time. Okay? Let's see what's going on with NAS. It's still going up, up, up. But at the moment, it doesn't look safe to enter. Thanks for watching.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope this helps and see you in the next video.